Introducing the Palm Mat Makeup Brush Cleaning Tool by Practk. 2-in-1 adjustable brush care. Patented textures remove buildup, bacteria, and germs. Wear on the hand for controlled cleaning. Use the larger wash texture for face brushes. Repeat on the refined texture for maximum cleaning. Flip the gadget for a smaller wash texture, ideal for eye brushes. Again, deep clean using the refined texture. For hands-free cleaning, use the suction cups to secure the palm mat to your sink. Rinse and store until next time. Experience a simplified brush cleaning routine with the innovative Palm Mat by Practk Beauty Gadgets.